Imagine earning $10,000 every single month, completely online, 100% halal, and starting from scratch. Sounds unreal? Stick around, because in this video I'm giving you a free course that walks you step by step through building a halal online business that can change your life. No shady tactics, no massive investment, just real results. Welcome to Digital Wealth Builder, where we turn your spare time into real income streams. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to build your own online business, you're in the right place. Hit subscribe and ring that bell for weekly no-fluff tutorials on making money online. Let's build your empire together. Let's face it, most online make-money schemes either cost a fortune or ask you to compromise your values. If you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind, want real financial freedom, and want your income to be halal, you're in the right place. Too many courses teach shortcuts that aren't Islamic-friendly. That's why I've put together this free training, to show you there's a better way. In my videos, I've helped hundreds of people escape the rat race and build thriving halal businesses from home. Just last month, Ahmed hit $8,000 per month with digital products, and Sarah crossed $12,000 per month with her consulting business, all using the exact steps I'm sharing with you. The 5-step halal system. Here's the game plan. Pick your halal business model. Start with something simple and halal. Service-based businesses, like social media management, copywriting, or virtual assistants, require no inventory, and you can start earning in weeks. If you love teaching, launch an online course. Into e-commerce? Dropship halal products or sell digital downloads. The key is to choose something that aligns with your skills and values. Find your first clients or customers. You don't need fancy ads or a huge audience. Use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to get your first gigs. But here's a secret. Join Facebook groups where your ideal clients hang out. Offer value, answer questions, and let people know how you can help. Building trust is your superpower, especially in the halal business world. Systemize and scale. Once you're earning your first $1,000, it's time to automate. Use tools like Calendly to book calls, Canva for graphics, and ChatGPT for content. Outsource small tasks and focus on what brings in the most money. This is how you go from side hustle to real business. Diversify and stay consistent. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Add affiliate marketing with halal-friendly brands, create digital products, or start a YouTube channel to build passive income. Consistency is key. Commit to small daily actions and watch your results compound. Everything I just shared is just the start. My complete free course gives you screen recordings, templates, and real case studies, plus my exact client scripts and pricing strategies, but it's only free for the next 7 days. Hit the link in the description now to grab your spot. And if you want more halal business strategies every single week, subscribe and turn on notifications. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. Don't wait.